Hello everyone, I'm your host Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. So let's start with today's session on the topic how ISO standards will shape sustainability. Sustainability reporting has evolved from a voluntary activity into a strategic business requirement. Today, organizations are not judged only by profits, but by how responsibly they operate. Investors want to know whether a company can survive long-term risk like climate change, labor issues, and governance failures. Governments expect transparency and compliance. Customers want to support ethical brands. Employees prefer organizations that care about people and the planet. Sustainability reporting brings all these expectations together into one structured narrative that shows how responsible an organization truly is. Now, understanding sustainability reporting in simple terms. At its core, sustainability reporting means measuring what matters beyond money. It focuses on how an organization uses energy and water, manages waste and emissions, protects employees' health and safety, respects human rights, behaves ethically, and contributes to society. Instead of general claims like we care about the environment, sustainability reporting demands evidence, data, trends, and improvement plans. This makes sustainability measurable, manageable, and comparable over time. Now, the role of SDGs, setting the global sustainability direction. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, that is SDGs, provide a shared global vision for a better future. These 17 goals address the world's most urgent challenges, including poverty, inequality, climate change, clean energy, responsible production, and strong institutions. For organizations, SDGs act as a direction-setting framework. They help companies align their strategies with global priorities and communicate their contributions in a language that governments, investors, and international stakeholders understand. However, SDGs do not prescribe operational steps. They describe what needs to be achieved, not how organizations should run their daily operations. Now, why ISO standards are the execution engine of sustainability? This is where ISO standards become critical. ISO standards transform sustainability from intention into action. They provide structured management systems that define roles, responsibilities, procedures, monitoring methods, and improvement mechanisms. ISO standards help organizations move from policy statements to practical implementation. In simple words, SDGs explain what the world wants, and ISO standards explain how organizations can deliver it. Now, environmental performance through ISO standards. Environmental sustainability is one of the most visible parts of sustainability reporting. Standards like ISO 14001, that is Environmental Management System, help organizations identify environmental aspects, control pollution, reduce waste, manage water usage, and comply with legal requirements. ISO 50001, that is Energy Management System, allows organizations to track energy consumption, improve efficiency, and reduce carbon emissions. These standards generate reliable environmental data which directly supports SDGs related to climate action, clean energy, responsible consumption, and protection of ecosystems. Now, social sustainability and people-centered reporting. Social sustainability focuses on how organizations treat people, employees, workers, customers, and communities. ISO 45000 ensures safe and healthy workplaces by reducing accidents, injuries, and occupational diseases. ISO 26000 provides guidance on human rights, labor practices, community involvement, and consumer responsibility. Data from these systems helps organizations report on employee well-being, workplace safety, inclusion, and social impact. Key elements of sustainability reporting that directly support decent work and social justice goals. Now, governance, ethics, and trust in sustainability reporting. Good governance is the foundation of credible sustainability reporting. Standards such as ISO 9001 strengthen process control, accountability, and leadership involvement. ISO 37001, that is Anti-Bribery Management System, addresses corruption risk, ethical behavior, and transparency. These standards are especially important for SDG 16, which focuses on strong institutions, justice, and ethical business practices. Governance data builds trust and shows that sustainability is embedded at the leadership level, not just operational teams. Now, mapping ISO standards to SDGs for clear impact. One of the strongest practices in sustainability reporting is ISO SDG mapping. This means clearly linking ISO-based actions to relevant SDGs. For example, energy efficiency programs support climate goals, safety initiatives support health goals, and ethical controls support governance goals. This mapping helps stakeholders understand how sustainability efforts translate into real-world outcomes rather than remaining abstract commitments. And then we have from sustainability reports to strategic management tools. When ISO standards are used, sustainability reports become more than communication documents. They become decision-making tools. Management can track performance trends, identify risk, allocate resources effectively, and set measurable improvement targets. Sustainability becomes integrated into business planning rather than remaining a separate reporting function. The importance of data accuracy, audits, and assurance. One of the biggest challenges in sustainability reporting is data credibility. ISO standards address this through documented processes, monitoring controls, internal audits, and management reviews. These mechanisms ensure that sustainability data is accurate, consistent, and verifiable. This reduces the risk of greenwashing and increases confidence among regulators, investors, and external auditors. Now, business benefits of ISO-based sustainability reporting. Organizations that adopt ISO-driven sustainability reporting experience multiple benefits. These include improved operational efficiency, reduced legal and environmental risk, stronger investor confidence, better employee engagement, and enhanced brand reputation. Sustainability reporting shifts from being a compliance burden to a competitive advantage. Now have a look on the future of sustainability reporting beyond 2030. As the world moves beyond 2030, sustainability reporting will become more regulated, standardized, and assurance-focused. ISO standards will play an even greater role in providing consistency and credibility, while SDGs will continue to guide global priorities. Organizations that build ISO-based sustainability systems today will be better prepared for future expectations. Then turning sustainability commitments into measurable results. Sustainability reporting using ISO standards and SDGs is about turning values into verified action. SDGs provide the global purpose and ISO standards provide the practical tools. And together, they help organizations move from promises to performance, from intention to impact, and from compliance to sustainability leadership. That is all about today's session. I, Akansha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such informative insights.